Hello, hello, hello. So, welcome to the new video. In this video, we'll be making the Twitch and stream overlays. And it looks cool in your stream. When you're streaming, of course, we show your social media platforms and more interesting stuff about you. So, I'll be adding this like PC spec section, and you can customize according to you. So, let's go. So first of all, we will make this alert notification of new donation. You can also write the new subscriber according to you. So like go to the select tool, make a rectangle, right click and fill any color do you want. So I am making an omen theme, so I will like put dark purple color there. Okay, now making the new donation box, take a pen tool and make a random box shape and just right click and create a clipping mask so it will inside the rectangle boundary. Now making that purple lines, so again select the pen tool and make sure you don't fill the line, only stroke. So after that, make a duplicate of it, just make a duplicate of it, press Ctrl T on your keyboard and right click and flip horizontal. So after that, making these boxes with an extra element at the outside of the box, select the same select tool and make new layer and just right click and fill color. And after that, merge everything in the box. Don't merge the omen layer and the outside shape layers. Just merge everything that is inside the box. Now save the PSD and after that we'll head towards the After Effects. In After Effects, make a new file and open the PSD file which you have saved. And while importing, make sure you use retain layers so it will come as it is. So yeah, so we'll head towards the cipher first. We'll animate this. Okay. Now press P on your, just select the cipher layer and press P on your keyboard. It will open the position tool or position keyframes. Yeah. So like just go to the first second, mark one keyframe and then go to the 0 second and drag down holding shift. It looks very linear, so I'll just select both the keyframes and press F9 on my keyboard. Like it will ease the keyframes. After that, select the graph editor. I'll make this, yeah, and select the keyframes and drag it towards the left. So now when you just play, it will first come very fast and then it will slow down. And do same with the other layers. For the rectangle layer, it will come from the left to right. So yeah, again press P on your keyboard, mark a keyframe on the 2 seconds, come back to 1 second and just drag it to the left side. Hold shift while dragging so it will like perfectly go straight. And same easy is the keyframes and do same with the other two remaining layers. After that, go to the graph editor of each layer and you make sure you do it perfectly so it looks very cool. And just make sure you have the speed editor, graph speed editor. Just right click and check, otherwise the default is something else. You get to see. Yeah, now this looks good to me. So this looks good to me. Now I will end something about 8 seconds. Select all 3 layers and mark a keyframe. Just drag it towards the other side. Okay, now same for the cipher layer. It will just hold shift and drag. Now we have to make a GIF file for this so that you can put it in Streamlabs. So just go to composition, add to render queue and make a PNG sequence of it and choose RGB plus alpha channel in the channel section and just save your file. After rendering this file, we will head towards the Photoshop. Now open the Photoshop and just go to your file, open and go to your PNG sequences. So I will just search for it. And select the first PNG file. After that, go to the Windows, go to the timeline, then layers, video layer and new video layer and select the second PNG file and just delete the previous PNG file in the layer section and you will see this animation coming out. After that, go to the export, save as web and in preset select as GIF. Okay, then just save your file. Now you are ready to get your file in the Streamlabs OBS. Just save your file. And now you can use it as an alert for the new donation or new subscriber, anything you like. So as it is, you can make different layouts with these techniques if you want. So thank you for watching this video.